Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's a beautiful day here in Grand Prairie, Alberta. So we decided to do something outside, and I think it's a perfect time to show you how to convert your truck's bed from this to this. Here is the truck tent that we are using. It's from Napier. That's a truck tent 13 series. As you can see, they make different sizes for different makes and models and different bed sizes. In our case, we are using the 6.5 feet bed for Dodge Ram. And this here is the truck tent itself, and it has these little straps and hooks attached to it that goes right under the bed frame. And the air mattress is right here. It's from the original Airbeds Light truck bed air mattress. It's a common material that's used to make the airbeds. And this one has a little cutout on both sides. It fits right on top of the wheel well, and it comes with a little air pump right here. It's a 12-volt, plugs in directly to the cigarette lighter port. It's not a sponsored video. We bought this off of Amazon last year. I believe we paid around $250 for the truck tent and another $250 for the air mattress, so around $500 together. So without further delay, let's get started. So at this point we have completed the stage 1 of the truck tent building. There are a few things left to do, like the privacy shade that came in the kit that goes over so you can have some privacy when you are sleeping, and we need to insert the air mattress into this tent, and also we need to inflate it thanks to the electric air pump they have provided with the kit. So we have the air pump right here. The other end of the pump is plugged into the cab, into the 12-volt plug, and it only takes like 5 to 10 minutes to fully inflate this mattress right here. So there you have it, the mattress is fully inflated and it is ready to be slept on. But before we wrap up this video, we would like to give a huge shout out to all our viewers and subscribers for your support. That means a lot for us. Thanks for giving us your feedback, either it's good or bad, so we can bring you much better content and videos. And if this is your first time watching this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it for notifications. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.